Hello everybody, welcome back to Rohedium. This is the next episode of This Day in History. In this series, we talk about the history of the day. On 26th of January 1954, the first message sent with the atomic battery power. In 1954, Drew demonstrated to reporters the functionality of atomic battery newly developed by RCA, the Radio Corporation of America. Chairman David Sarnoff used the electricity it generated to produce a sound message. With the telegraph key in a circuit with the battery and an ordinary telephone amplifier, he taped out two sentences: Atoms for peace. Man is still the greatest miracle and the greatest problem on this earth. The tone was faint but distinct. The slim battery was made of two wafers. One was of strontium metal and another of silicon. The particle bombarding the atoms in the silicon crystal released electrons that provide a small current of electricity. A 20-year half-life was expected for the battery. The inventors at RCA were Ernest G. Linder and Paul Raprot. This is it for today, guys. We will see you in the next one. Till then, keep creating, keep imagining good things.